In and out tonight, baby.
What happened? They don't offer chilies anymore. They give these half-cut ones.
What?
The chilies. You know how me and Daddy sometimes got chilies? No more.
No more chili?
They do like chopped chilies.
Three by three.
How was school, girls? I saw that person dressed as the whole candy cane. Did you see them?
Yeah. Who's pushing us off?
I was like, I told Dad, I think they're having a parade or something, so this kid dressed like a candy cane.
Everyone recognized you from SoCal Adventure Family.
You're embarrassing me. She's like, yeah, SoCal Adventure Family, Mom.
Yeah!
I was embarrassed.
And that was the answer that SoCal Adventure Family.
You always have views and fans coming up to you.
No, I don't.
Dad literally have a dream about it. That one shot.
Finish.
Yeah. I'll be like the Rock in the TV show we saw the other day.
How many strips did you eat?
One.
She only ate one?
I only ate one.
Oh,
so
no. How many strips did you eat?
3
Yeah.
and a half.
I got
Or a quarter of one.
I got a 4-strip one.
But I had my bread and ate all my fries.
I'm pretty good because I thought she was gonna like only eat 2, so I was like, shit, I got 2 in the bread.
No. Oh, I probably should have done this.
Excuse me. Yeah.
Even my sweater wanted a piece of this.
It's really busy tonight.
I was busy.
No, like,
Friday
we went
night.
to Target, we went, all the stores were packed. Like,
It's the holidays. Everybody's
No.
shopping. And after they shop, it's Friday. They don't want to go home and cook, so they just get
okay,
takeout.
you have nothing but vegetable.
It's all right.
You like my music?
Well, where are you gonna play that at?
In my room. Destiny likes to take me out. So, I guess I have to kick her out.
No. I'm not sleeping. Ooh. That's practically my
I took a
room.
lot down. That's probably why I'm feeling buried.
I use the most of the room.
You could play that when you have no technology like people do in jail, like the blues.
Oh my god. Like, that one princess girl in the loud house, that one time she got grounded.
I have no phone and technology. Yeah, there you go.
That little lie, it's probably pretty much.
We went to 5 Malone. I got 3 gingerbread men. 3 gingerbread houses.
We're all
So
gonna,
hopefully we can do a gingerbread house challenge.
which we're all gonna rage at.
Or we're traumatized. I saw the foot, and then I heard the...
Let's be attendant.
Oh, that's what I saw. I didn't see a face. I see the foot. It's with me. I'm like, wait a minute.
You guys are tripping.
I know I am.
It's because it's scary.
It's scary.
People come out of nowhere.
Yeah.
You never know.
I got no phone or technology.
This burger disappeared out of nowhere.
You want another one?
No.
Those are mine. The only thing left is the evidence.
Okay, I can't find all my decorations and all my presents because I wrapped some beforehand. So, I'm gonna lie. Here we go. First thing, we got a gingerbread house for a video of making gingerbread challenges. So we do a couple of questions I have in mind. Got 1, 2, and 3. See what happens. Printed out some questions. We can do a series of funny questions and see how that comes along. I'm gonna get myself in order. Baggies, wrapping paper, tape, Sharpie, so I make sure I know who's getting what. This is for my daughter. If she's watching, you can like, you didn't see it. Wrench. There it is. There's the wrench. Great sweater from Target. I like to get everybody like cute outfits for like Christmas to wear festive t-shirts. I got these from Five Below. They're just like long pants. That's the set. And then she's gonna have socks from Target. All warm and cozy. Then I have these for my daughter, but I wrapped hers already, so I have no idea where they are on the Christmas tree, underneath the Christmas tree, but they're somewhere. So something like this. This is my other daughter's. So I got her some fluffy, comfy pajama pants, and they're like kind of white and soft. She's a little bit all over the place because for hers, I got her a Yeti. A Yeti for Christmas. So that'll be that one. And then she has Santa socks. She's kind of all over the place. That's another one. And then, like I said, this is for my daughter, but I can't find her bag. More fluffy socks, a pair of comfy pants, and that'll be it. This is for my daughter's school event that she's going to be having. And it was like a $20 Secret Santa. And we went all over the place looking for different themes. I saw all these YouTube people going everywhere. Ross, Marshall. Hello Kitty was everywhere. So I was like, oh, okay, your Secret Santa wants Hello Kitty. We'll do Hello Kitty. They're going to love it. We'll find it. I know everybody's been finding them. Sure enough, we go. No Hello Kitty. We're too late. So we ended up getting her different things. We got her, I got her Secret Santa first. So we got her the stockings because I was one of her themes. One of her favorite colors is red. We got that from Marshall's. She loves pink too. My daughter didn't notice that this was broken, so we're gonna have to fix that. We got her a little relaxing sleep mask. It's cute. We went to Five and Below, and she got her a little piggy. And she Also got her these. These are not from Private Villa. These are from like Ross. Little cookie section that the kids really like. The Hello Panda. Hello Panda. And strawberry. And I feel like we got her others. Here it is. Well, I guess that's all we got her. That's all we got her. We didn't find anything. This is pretty good. Now I just have to go and take out all the pieces. Ross, $4.99. It says Fabric Cat Sleep Mask. People take these things off. I am struggling. Life is like, I don't want to buy any expensive tool to take it off or heat up the sticker. I just want to take it off. But goodness, I am not being expensive. So we're going to here. That'll crack in the packaging. Tissue paper came from Dollar Tree. Okay, so this is the final product. There's the beauty blender. I don't take off tags properly. There's the spoolie. And then I'll put that in their stocking. And then from work, I got Christmas cards. I got this red Christmas or candy cane. They're very festive. Rainbow candy cane. A little snowman that's been hanging around since 2021, but still looks pretty good. A gingerbread man. It's kind of yummy. Chocolate, dark chocolate. And a really cute Christmas tree. The present. These were sold at work by our special ed kids who made them, and they were just so excited to be selling stuff. So my Christmas cards, here's an ornament. Bell, here's the Christmas tree. Another ornament. They were just like so excited that people were buying, and they were just working tables and snowflake, and it was a really fun event. So that ends my wrapping, my haul. See you later.
Look what happened.
Your veins. What? Unhook what?
It hurts. Itchy.
If it hurts you.
Where do I put this? Do I need this?
You don't. You can just leave it there.
Okay.
Oh, I can. This is just.
Are you guys recording? I know you forgot.
No.
Let me check. Probably be forgetting.
I already know onions for you. Can you tell? I actually remembered. I thought I ordered 3 drinks. I ordered 3 fries.
Isn't that a good thing?
No, I love McDonald's drinks.
Yeah, so I love your phone.
You guys also love McDonald's fries, so it's different.
You're not a big fan of fries?
I got you.
Oh man. I like to eat out these.
Why was this clean?
Because I gotta get out of the board.
Carmen says she don't like fries anyway, so.
That's true.
This is my buffalo burger. Eating buffalo burger. Mmm.
You're not gonna be vegan and shit.
We're gonna shock the world.
You think they retrained Tua?
I'll save you 2, Matthew, okay?
I don't care as long as they win.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. How lovely are your branches.
Buffalo Mafia's gonna get busted by the Miami Vice. Oh yeah. Oh shit, the double cheeseburger? Oh yeah.
No onion. You don't like the pickles?
Nah, not really.
You are shocking.
Oh! There you go, Tiny. Tough it out, bro.
Wow!
Good job.
I got a chewy part.
I'm shocked.
I got no chewy part. I'm jealous.
We stand closures.
So put that nugget down and see if we can get another one without a chewy part.
Put that nugget down.
No, don't throw it away.
Give it to Matthew.
You gotta go get dry out then?
Hershey did.
Oh. I mean, get yours.
I hate the irritation.
We're gonna try to find one of those like little ones, like the female ones.
Nothing happened. You can't say you don't like something and then take it back.
Well, I'm hungry still.
You want to chop them out?
Eat your trays.
That's a first.
There you go.
That's my mom put them right there. She's like, I don't know if I put them right there, Dad won't want them.
We'll just set up.
Yeah, shut up. Whoa, I don't know about Carmen putting them in their mouth like that. If I want to get out her fries either. I don't know.
Hold down.
Oh, son, she's hungry.
I need you to choke. Yeah, Carmen can't wax her eyebrows and she can the threading irritates her real bad too.
hurt myself.
No, what she probably has to do probably after when she gets them done, you're gonna have to like put a hot towel on your eyes.
I don't like them getting. I don't like getting threaded because it hurts.
Yeah, it does hurt.
The second I get it, I'm like, ugh.
The second they're under the eyelash and on the sides, it hurts.
Beauty is pain.
Yeah, but the models.
With everybody, it takes time.
Well, we don't take time.
That's why too, like Destiny, she got them done. She probably didn't wash her eyebrows or her face.
So lady,
No, I
what did the
didn't.
lady say to you?
She said,
She was like, first time here? And I was like, no. She was like,
Looks like it.
and then she was like, long time no, and then she said, long time no see. I was so insulted.
Like, whoa, long time no see, girl.
You tell like I'm 10 and I don't have my own car to bring me.
I was like, no. I shook my head. Like,
Tiny.
no, like, I'm long time no see.
Tiny.
Okay, you remember? He's dead. Why are you yelling after him? Stop yelling at Tiny. He's dead.
Just throw that shit at him.
Stop.
Yeah, go.
Right. You'll see it.
He'll smell it.
Oh, smell it?
Go hungry, baby.
You take one and teach the car man. You're starving girl over there.
Just take a bite.
You guys complain about her wanting to be hungry and then...
You want to try the milk?
We're not complaining about her being hungry. What I said when she said, I don't like these fries anyways, and then also when she wants fries. That's what I said. We got it on video.
For the tape.
Who tape?
I have to say my baby too, so here's one more.
Maybe Zach was like, I really don't like the fries anyways.
And sometimes I don't like the fries.
No, just finish those.
Okay, please. May I open it?
No, babe. I don't want them. Because trash past Destiny.
I am trash. For you.
Oh, I can't open it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was good.
We've been hungry in an hour.
Probably.
Oh, I'll make some cookies. I got you, baby.
Is the chicken and is the outside not good for them?
No, they shouldn't.
No, they shouldn't. What?
Probably have it. Deep fried.
Oh, that was good. I'm done.
I said he's hungry for the fries today.
Chubby and plump from McDonald's, and I laughed when I saw him in spite of myself. Makes it now I have nothing to dread. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work.
This is cute. How cute. Oh, we can really see that.